This is called heel. I don't know what is this called. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sabina. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe. It just takes 2 seconds. Click that red button down on the below, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos and you can be my part of my family. Before we start this video, I want to wish you all my Nepali friends and family Happy New Year. Naya Barsako धेरै धेरै शुभकामना. We celebrate New Year around this time in Nepal, and me and my husband, we're just gonna go have a dinner for New Year celebrations. So let's get started. Today's video is also unboxing, and now you see what it is. I know I have so many Dior items. This moment I am just loving everything about Dior, so I decided to purchase a shoes. This is this one, and if you have been watching my videos, then you know that I love socks, boots, and those are my favorite. So I was not planning to buy, I never planned to buy anything, it just happened to me. Isn't that funny? So I went to store and I saw this boot, socks boot, and I said, oh my goodness, how pretty is that? So I just have to get this one. I love a little bit white around here and perfect heel. Look at this little curved heel, and it's so perfect, and I love it. And I love wearing socks boot, and I was thinking to buy that Christian Louis Vuitton, but I did not purchase that one. Instead of that, I went to buy Steve Madden one. So many compliments from everybody, and so comfortable. I like to wear with denim skirt or dress or even like a jeans. So I wore that like shoes, like, and it's still one of my favorite shoes. So this time I decided to go with Dior. When I saw this one, this was just calling my name, so like, Sabina, buy this one. So I have to bring this home. It was calling my name, said take me home, so I have to bring it home. So I like the perfect heel, and I love these little stars on the bottom, and this is size 36. I wear size 36. Most of my shoes, my size is size 36, but sometimes even I wear Dior 35, so it's depends. So this one is size 36, and I love this one. It's so pretty, and I can't wait to wear and style this boots. So it comes with this dust bag, and perfect if I travel, like, you know, we're planning to have a big travel this coming summer. So it's perfect that if I decide to take this one, then I have a dust bag. I love these dust bags. So this is the look at here. This is how it looks. This is so pretty. I love it. And it comes with this extra, what is this called? Heel? I don't know what is this called. This is called like these little things over here. It comes with extra. I'm so glad that they comes extra, because so many of my designer shoes, like, I don't know, some reason it goes bad really fast. Like my most of my Valentino heels, those, like, I have to change, like, you know, otherwise, like, the steel or some kind of nail underneath, and you get slippery, like, you know, and then it start like a really like a tick like it sounds like when you walk in the mall or you go somewhere and everybody knows that you are coming. So I'm glad that it comes with this extra one. So here it is, and it's my new Dior socks boot added to my collections, and I am so excited for this one. It feels so stretchy and easy to go in and out. By the way, you know, I did this nail today. I'm not really used to have a long nails like this, and I did it by myself. So it's kind of like, I'm not used to, like, I went to a bathroom and it was hard for me to even push the flush. So I might get used to, I don't know how people make those long nails and then work, like, but I really like right now. I just use those like a fake nails and paint it myself, so I'm liking it. And today we did not do anything much this afternoon, so I just decided to do my nails. So here's my nails story. If you guys want to do a video how I did my nails, then let me down under the comment below, and maybe I can make a nails video too. So this is how it looks, and so far I'm loving it. So back to the shoes now. So here it is, and it's really easy to go in and out. I tried this in store and I haven't tried yet in home. I just need to have a good nice weather outside so I can wear it. It's just like Texas weather. Every weekend it rains and it's just nasty outside, so I can't even wear or go anywhere. I'm just so tired of this rain. I'm really ready for good nice spring season. So hopefully next weekend gonna be nice so I can wear my socks boots before it gets really hot here. This is perfect for this spring and fall season. It's so hot in Texas in summertime. You can't even wear closed shoes, so you have to wait for either fall or for spring. So I am so excited. This is added to my collection, and I will post, like, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, Sabina K Stone, because I post day to day, not every day, but day to day, my outfit, how I style these boots, like those kind of pictures in my Instagram. So make sure you follow there. And there is my socks boot. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then do thumbs up and make sure to subscribe me. I want to know what you guys are doing for like self-care to motivate yourself. So let me know under the description below, because I like to read positive messages. Like, I like to be happy. I always feel like life is too short and we need to enjoy and support each other. Like, even in this YouTube community, I make so many wonderful ladies that they don't know me, I don't know them, but we just connect from this with this YouTube channel, and we became like a friend and support each other. And I love that. Like, you know, I want the world to be like that, beautiful, happy, no jealousy, you know. Just be happy for someone. Please write it down some positive comment under my video. I like to read, so that motivates me and makes me happy. So I want to know what you guys are doing for self-care. Like, you know, for me, I did my nails today and I try to take care of myself, and I told my husband that when I do something for myself, I try to do things with my husband too. And this morning I said, tonight we're gonna have a face mask and all kind of face things. And then my husband was like, why we? And I was like, not one woman has to look pretty or need to look their face like, you know, beautiful or things. Men also need to take care of yourself. That's the reason. So like, we're planning to do both together, some kind of like nice, like, you know, face scrub and just taking care of ourselves, and maybe under eye mask or something like that. So let me know what you guys are doing, and let's be happy, smile, and always, I told you that smile is the best things that you can put on your face. It's more than makeup or lipstick or any diamond jewelries or any expensive handbag. Smile and be positive. That's the most important thing. Anyways guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope all my Nepali friends and family, they are enjoying this new year and celebrating with their friends and family, eating lots of delicious food. I hope you guys are having like that. And for me, I'm not gonna cook, we're just gonna go eat out. So once again, I said be happy and be yourself. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.